The fastest spacecraft to pass this boundary to date was Voyager 1, which left Earth in 1977 and escaped our solar...
Where is our solar system really going? We often think it's just revolving around the sun, but in reality, the entire solar system is racing through space at nearly 828,000 kilometers per hour, orbiting a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. One orbit around it takes about 250 million...
अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। ये इनोवेस्टा एक्सपो 2026 ये एक कोशिश थी रियल वर्ल्ड और एजुकेशन के बीच में एक ब्रिज का काम करने का, जहाँ पे बच्चों को ये सिखाया गया रियल लाइफ में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स रोबोटिक्स कैसे काम कर रहा है आज की दुनिया में, क्योंकि बच्चों को टेक्निकली स्ट्रॉन्ग करना मोर देन देयर मार्क्स ये बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है आज के ज़माने में। जबकि हमारे पास इतने टेक्नोलॉजीज़ हैं, इनका इस्तेमाल करना, इनको इस्तेमाल में लाना, जो भी रिसोर्सेज हैं उनको यूज़ करते हुए इसी के ऊपर फोकस करके स्किल नेस्ट जो प्रोग्राम था अलायंस प्रोलन की जानिब से नौनिहाल सेंट्रल स्कूल में पिछले 3 महीनों से चल रहा था। हम खास करके नौनिहाल सेंट्रल स्कूल का शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं।
This model shows how wind energy is converted to electricity using a wind turbine. The electricity supplied to homes, buildings and street lights in the city. It demonstrates the use of renewable energy to reduce pollution and protect environment. A pond is a small water body where rainwater collects. People and animals use pond water for daily needs. Second is well. A well is a deep hole dug in the ground to collect underground water. People use well water for drinking and washing. Another source is river. This model explains how food choice influences oral teeth. Nutritious food strengthens tooth immune and supported healthy gum, leading to a bright smile. It consists of sun and the electrical object, and these are the 8 planets. की जमीन और समुद्र की जिंदगी एक दूसरे की मोहताज है। पौधे, जानवर, इंसान और समुद्र के जानवर मिलकर खूबसूरत को जुट सकते हैं।
This is air quality monitor. It is used to measure the quality of the air. This is gas sensor. It senses the gases around us and shows the temperature of the air on this screen. These are indicators. If the green light is lit, it means the quality of the air is good. Yellow means normal and red means quality of the air is poor.
This is a windmill. When it rotates once time, it conducts more electricity. Due to this windmill, the home conduct electricity and the bulb will start glowing. These are solar panels. When the solar panels will get heated by the solar sunlight, then the home conduct electricity and the bulb will start glowing.
Reduce pollution, control pollution, and protect the environment. These cities aim for the clean, green, and sustainable future, saving energy today and securing tomorrow.
Assalamualaikum. Our project is about how we actually see. Seeing is not done by the eyes alone. It is a teamwork between the eye and the brain.
Water is important for all living beings. Nowadays, water is getting wasted in many ways. So we must save water.
So this is human excretory system. If we look at this model, the process starts with kidneys. The kidney is used to remove waste substance like urea, extra salts, and extra water. This is an example. It's a paper factory. We collect garbage from public areas, transport areas, and beaches. This is our project called Rocket Launcher Experiment. We made this project it is a chemical experiment. We made this by mixing vinegar and baking soda together. It creates carbon dioxide gas, and when the gas get inside the bottle, which represents sunlight that shines down on the earth. The 2 clear plastic houses on the left and the right are like greenhouses. Sunlight goes into these plastic covers and heat the green lands and plants.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Nufaiza Kausar. Today I am going to speak about my model, that is forms of land. First is mountain. It is very high land for usually covered with snow. Next is plain land, which is good for farming and building house. Another form is plateau, a flat land higher than the surrounding area. Next is desert. It is very dry area with little rainfalls. Last one is forest, which is